Hello and welcome to Excel video 247. I was helping a group today pull data out of their PM system and a bunch of demographic type of information. And I said, how come you never put information in these fields before in the PM? And they said, because we could never put them out. There was no point in putting the data in because we couldn't get it out. Well, now they can get their data out of the PM. They can put a bunch more demographic information into their PM and better run their practice. When you're ready to do the same with your PM, let's talk. What I want to do today is introduce these tabs that are down here at the bottom of every worksheet and some options that you can use to make your life easier and manage your data with these tabs. We're going to go through some of the basics today, and to access it you simply right click on the tab. It's easy to insert. We'll start with that. You could insert from the insert menu on the home tab like we talked about in the last couple Excel videos, but you can do it here as well. You can insert a worksheet or a chart. We'll just do a worksheet and see how Excel threw it out there and called it sheet 4. Let me show you how easy it is to move sheets around. You just click and drag, not there, but here. That's one way to insert. A second way to insert is to just click here, and now I've got sheet 5. Either one of those, right click and insert, or just simply clicking this. We'll click this one and I'll show you how to delete. Right click and delete. We'll warn you, hey, there might be data there, and we can delete that, and we'll delete that one as well. So it's easy to insert, it's easy to delete tabs from your worksheet. Something that I do a lot of is renaming the tabs. So this may be dashboard, and this one may be data, let's say. So I put all my data here, and my summary report, and my dashboard, or whatever is here, and it's easy to organize them this way. One of the things we'll talk about in a couple Excel videos is it helps to make these tab names without spaces. You can name something, I have a space. It's just harder to deal with when you go to write formulas against it. Can it be done? Yes, it's just easier without it. So typically what I'll do is instead of doing sheet space 3, I'll just do sheet 3, something like that. We've talked about insert and delete and rename. Let's talk about tab color for a minute, and I'll come back and talk about some of these at the end. I use tab color a fair amount, and all it does is, here, we'll just pick a color here, and I can make this one blue, and this one will make this one red. It's hard to tell, especially in the video, that this has kind of a light red coloring to the bottom of it. But when I move off, it's easy to tell that tab's red and that one's blue. It's an easy way to organize your tabs, particularly if, let's say that these two sheets had something in common and I wanted to track them similarly. It's easy to color them the same color and make it easy to tell that, hey, group these together. Insert, delete, rename, and tab color. We'll spend a minute on move or copy in a future Excel video because there's more to that one. View code simply takes you to VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. This isn't the way I typically get there, and VBA is way beyond the scope of what we're doing in this video, but that's what it does. Protect sheet will protect this sheet and say, without this password, here are the things you can and can't do. I typically do that from this review tab. Here's where protect sheet and protect workbook and these kind of options are. That's typically where I do it from, but if you wanted to protect the sheet, you can right click and protect the sheet from here. You can also hide and unhide tabs from here. We'll come back and talk about move or copy next time and select all sheets. And the other thing we're going to talk about is how to write formulas so that you can put all your data here and write formulas on the dashboard that will come back and reference data on the data tab. I'll show you how to do that and a lot more in the next couple Excel videos. Thanks for watching.